Hey, what's up, Sterilies, Mr. Nation? And to my players. Um, Obviously, this is not a pod. I've decided to compile my top 10 songs of 2025. This is the songs that were dropped for 2025 that I've listened to that had me on chokehold from the day they were released up until now. Number 10, we have Abazazi Bafunani, Big Zulu, no MT. Obviously, if you know the history between Big Zulu and MT and these songs, the iconic line by Ibenz Sendanyin, Karachi MD. So when these two come together and seeing them perform it, then when they perform how much, so ever since then, I've been listening to it up until now. So number 10, Kwabazazi Bafunani, Big Zulu no MT. Number 9, we have Our remix, Lord Keys featuring Casper Nyovest. My sweetheart, you make me wanna change the life of Kipilang. I think there's not much I can say. This is a beautiful song. I don't know what sample they used. Baby girl, you give me joy and excitement. Yabo, phinde bengathi kuzoqala ingoma kaBrenda angisakhumbula bayiphi na, but yeah, that's my number 9. Good song overall, and I think it surpassed 10 million views on YouTube. So that means I'm not the only one who's been listening to it non-stop. Number 8, Four Horsemen, Stogie T featuring Nasty C, Aries, and Max. I give this one number 8 because it dropped later on in the year, but I've been listening to it ever since. Obviously, hip hop, there's always a debate about who had the best verse, but considering in the Urbana, we have never, this was the first in the history, Nasty C, Aries in one song. We haven't had Muggs in a while now. Muggs is one of the people that kills it features. So from Ingoye, aka not Dales, LES, to Skelegete, to Gazlam, Yazidal and Zabalas. So Muggs has been this one guy that has been on the feature run. So when there's Muggs on a song, it's gonna be a good one. Okay, yeah. But Muggs is one of the guys that kills features. So and he's been around Muggs for I think for over 20 years, if I'm not mistaken. So him and the new generation, STC and Aries, with Ustogi Tige, Tommy from Tommy and the Volume. Tommy has had a song with Aries. Tommy has had a song with the Nasty C. So this one with Muggs was an interesting one for me to see. I was excited, and I'm going to tell you, it did not disappoint. I have not yet listened to the whole album. I'm going to give myself time, but yeah, that one is that one. Number 7, we have What If Mngani by Younger Chief. This one was a hit. This song came at a time where hip hop was not in the charts. Amapiano and Tree Step were in the top 10, but Wangeno Younger, Lord Fargo with What If Nyanike. And a lot of people started relating to the song. Yeah, cooler. I've been listening to you on and on because I was happy for Younger Chief, man. Younger Chief, Vega Kulu, Ngoma Sky, aka, and unazo ngoma zakhe Nzwambo that I love. naku features grand ukhona ku by any means ukhona Tata has been amazing with features man right through. Yeah, also he body of work yakhe beninomdla wayo, and I'm gonna tell you it did not disappoint. Hence at number 7. I'm giving this number 7 because so ezinye ezi are not hip hop and I've been listening to them nazo nakwendawo endingena kuzo zikhala so even nangoku ndikhalelwa ingoma ye-3 step apha kum. So yeah, it does not mean that I sold out abantu be-hip hop bayathandalwe, but okay, story for another day. Number 6, abantwana bakho DJ Maphorisa, Kabza, Nkosazana Daughter, Tatowatsi, and more because baninzi but yeah abantwana bakho, beautiful song man. Tatowatsi, breath of fresh air. Obviously ke Nkosazana Daughter will always be a queen. A boy, youngster coming from a good year. Imithandazo was a smash hit. Yeah, overall band great song, could have been number 1. But yeah, 3 step then the 3 step, yeah. So yeah, I think from 5. Oh no, actually. So number 5 we have Ubengicela, Jazz Works, Mau, Tukutela, GL, CJ, Bengicela. Oh yeah, Langoma, you listen to it, Kala, and then we want to perform your bone. I think the people that bakwazi ujudge imiculo akhe abantu bakwazi rate albums. I think they must also consider in those stage performance, crowd control yonke laa nto yakhona kwaba bantu, because when these songs play, even if akuperforme bona but ziyadijeka ngumntu kwishow ethile, ubone how a crowd sings along and a particular person, this song touches their heart. So kube ngathi noba uyimamele umhlawumbi ngendlebe engekho grand uphinde uyimamele and then you fall in love with it more and more. So yeah, Maho had a beautiful year naye. Khona ngoma yakhe ngoma yakhe yenza nge-top 10, but one of the songs that I was listening to, but okay, no, mangangenele kube ngicela. Number 4, DJ Jaivane featuring DeRose, Luto. Benikenda eJozi. So in fact la ngoma iqale up, but then when I went to eJozi, a big color everywhere. And then when I came back, a big color everywhere. Endleleni ngokusihamba ile 9 hours okay color. So idiyangena inhloko, and they turned on no music video wayo. It's just this lady is relaxele yacula enqanqele, like it's not crowded. Sometimes go right to bold yabo and do those kind of videos. Unganyanzeleki soloko iba flashy by don't know yabo, all those other things. So yeah, we have that at number 4. Number 3, Sinongi Nendaba, Jazwell Tukutela, GLCJ, Bengozinhle. This song could have easily been on number 1. When I was listening to the album, this is my main album, because most of the other songs, like Abaseko, and Nalangoma Kanokwazi nayo, no Kisumoya, like the album yonke ndimamele vuga ma. But Unginendaba was the song that I stopped and repeated it for the following day. Yeah, also. So yes, we have that at number 3. Number 2, we have Uvalo, Joswell Tukutela, Babaloyam, Gala Tuxin, I think Wongumdulena could have easily been a song of the year if it was not. So yeah, I've got that one at number 2 only because ushela undothusile shela ndimveka yi-1 ndamva kwesibini namncanywa and then ndabona how everyone bazishelaholics and it deserved to be number 1 nationally ke ushela between uvala noshela. In fact, top 5 could have easily been number 1 from Bengicela to Lutho ngendaba uvala and then shela semdibni yaphela buhle. Yeah. So these are the top 10 songs that had me on chokehold for 2025. Samzansi. I think the piano. I think piano contributes 3, and then 3 steps. And then hip hop contributes 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then 2 step another 3. So yeah, we can say hip hop. Oh yes, in fact, 4. Yeah. We can still say by hip hop no, but hopefully hip hop gives us endofana nobusete kanje okanye as cultural shift, man, when KO came in with Karakara, when and then said like those. Oh, you get the hip hop guys hop into these other songs and give us something special. I don't know. Like I like Lenenzo and Casper Pago Awe, but again, understandably so, Awe figure at a later stage. Sabe is Lona remix and later on if figure earlier, but most of the time, top 5. Nobo vula Spotify kuvela zona iskakhulu. So yes, let me know if you like this thing, this le way yakhona, so that I can do this more often. Yeah, let me know if you like those. Yeah. So yeah, the first installment is out. I'm gonna do another one with this series, and then yeah, I'll hear a response here. No, if need to. This is good, don't stop. And then I will have and then yeah. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. We are working, we want to reach 10,000 before March. In fact, for March, it dead end March, I want to 10,000 subscribers. There's a lot of content, more than 300 and in fact 400 videos on the channel, because it's about 400. So you can watch for Nyanga with this thing, quick episodes of 2 hours. Like there's more earphones out to Kunda Shotai. So please subscribe, man. Abanda names that watch just channel, like returning people that have subscribed are only 12%. So that means if our band babukele banga subscriber, we can easily hit to 10K within the first 3 days. Video if it gets the traction that I think people might. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe and become a player.